Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. It's another Monday, and I'm at Aldi. Even though I prefer to shop alone, I am once again with my kids. All three are with me because we are adding grocery shopping on top of going to the library, running errands. So all of us are going in, and to make it special for them, I'm letting them pick one of any food, and they also can pick a drink. So we're going to go in. Hopefully we can make it fun, get our week of groceries, and don't forget, I'll share with you the meal plan at the end. So let's go in, see what's good, and see what they pick. Okay, we are having tacos, chips, salsa, so restaurant style chips, $1.85. Red grapes are $1.39 a pound. They look nice and juicy. Cilantro, 85 cents, and green onions for 85 cents for taco night and salads. We're gonna get a watermelon. I'm gonna pick this one right here. I can tell I like it already, $4.99. Broccoli looks so much better this week. I'm gonna get this for lo mein, $1.89. I'm gonna get 3 mangoes, 89 cents a piece. My kids just like to eat them. I'm gonna get a long English cucumber, or seedless, 95 cents. I'm gonna see if there's an avocado dressing to mix with coleslaw for tacos tonight. I know it's not traditional, but it just sounded good to me. $1.19. 41 cents a pound for bananas. My kids have been eating these. Garlic peeled, $1.99. I'm not gonna get that bag. That does not look very good to me. That one looks better. Actually, I'm gonna skip. None of these look good to me. $1.02 for eggs. Ice cream sundaes. Hot chocolate, we use whipped topping all the time, $2.79. Heavy cream for buttered chicken this week, $4.69. Mini avocados, $2.89. Love these. 2 cans of fire roasted tomatoes, $1.09 a piece for buttered chicken. Can of black beans for taco night for the vegetarians. Okay, running low on our Olive Garden knockoff, $2.19 a piece. Okay, white vinegar, $3.29, a new container. Okay now. 33% less plastic. Okay, Mila found her pick. She wanted to get veggie straws. You like those?
Yes.
$2.49. Well, I wanted asparagus. We have no asparagus here this week, so I guess I will get, oh, no, I'm not gonna get those either. Dang it. I'm gonna grab a couple cereals. Cinnamon Balance at $2.09. And rice checks, $2.85. My husband wants me to get him some of these, so I'm gonna get, okay, extra strength berry, 89 cents a piece. I'm gonna get 4 of them. I love this. It says for kids' bedrooms, but I would like that in an office. They're $49.99. They have these education rugs. We still have one of these in my son's room, $18.99. And then these kids' armchairs are cute. I like the bear. I think they had these last week, $24.99. Oh, there's another chair. They have a bunch of storage bins, collapsible cubes, lots of organization stuff. They have these different dry erase boards, only $6.99, and you can see they have lots of different styles, which is really nice. Still lots of the planners. Really kind of like that, Be Your Best Self with the stickers in it. Different candles, wax melts, Max Welts. Huh? Elsie found some cute wool dryer balls, little sloths. That is cute. Handheld steamer, lint remover. Lots of fun health and beauty things. Oh, getting back into the back to school lunch packing stuff. Oh, split antlers. They're not real. Getting a hand soap for a bathroom. Our electric soap dispenser broke, so I'm gonna get this until I replace it, 87 cents. Oh, this looks like a great deal. My teen has been wanting a new razor, so we're gonna get this for $5.49. Okay, I'm buying more paper towels sooner than I wanted because my dog got into one of the rolls, so $2.59. Okay, well, I'm really excited because they have all this half-price chicken and that makes it a pretty good deal. So I was gonna tap into my freezer. I still have so much in my freezer from the last red sticker find, but I am gonna just get this for this week instead of tapping into my freezer. I'm gonna get the 572 pack for butter chicken this week. Okay, I wanted to get this for Sundays, $2.49. Okay, we're gonna get brownies to make, $1.19. My favorite brownie box. Okay, so we need to get cocoa. I'm getting this for $2.45. Okay, my kids love these, but they're so expensive I don't buy them often, but I guess once a summer we can live it up. $3.59. I'm getting a box of spaghetti. I think we're pretty much gonna have spaghetti once a week because my family's so picky. I'm trying to reduce the amount of times I get angry making dinner. $1.89 for spaghetti. It's always a win. Everyone eats it. I'm gonna get the 4 cheese marinara sauce, $2.09 for spaghetti night. We're getting fajita flour shells for the tacos. We already have some tostada shells at home, so $1.95 for 20 tortillas. Okay, they have 3 of my waters. I'm gonna get them 89 cents. And I think I'm also gonna get a lemon lime one, actually 2 of them. So I'm getting 5 at 89 cents a piece. And the kids are all picking out what they want right now. Elsie, do you see cherry limeade sparkling water? Oh, that's a good one, Kyle. 79 cents. And the girls each picked one of these, Frost the Mango Orange at 55 cents a piece. I'm gonna get lemon water at $3.45 for the 12 pack. Okay, so they have these honey barbecue chicken strips. They still have the Minion guys, Euro kits, air fryer, perfectly crisp tenders. Those look pretty good to me. I don't know what the price is though. Mystery priced. Chicken nuggets, chicken bacon ranch rolls. Not sure how good those are, but they don't look good. Someone messaged me and said that the Trader Joe's version of these were recalled for rocks, but they haven't recalled the Aldi ones. They have these. I love those so much.
We might have more in the freezer.
Oh, okay. Thanks. Yes, that's on my list. I'm just moving down here. Stuffed shells. Would you guys eat stuffed shells? It's like a shell with cheese in the middle. They still have the bites. They have different skillets. Different stuff for smoothies. Lots of ice creams. These are interesting. Macarons and gelato bites. Okay, for our spaghetti night, I want to have Parmesan cheese to grind on at $4.39. Getting Mexican style cheese. My kids all love this. $2.89. For taco night, I'm getting the mild salsa. We all love this stuff. $2.49. And I'm also going to get this street corn dip. $3.29 for taco night. We'll call this Mom's Fun Pick. Okay, I need cauliflower rice for when we have butter chicken, $1.99. Okay, and 2 bags of broccoli for both nights. We have butter chicken, $1.09. Okay, Elsie found her pick, bagel pizzas, cheese, it's $6.39 for 36 of them. Go for it, girl. And all the siblings are cheering because the kids love them. Okay, I am going to get, I was looking for moose tracks because we got that last week, $2.65, and everyone really liked it, including me. So I'm gonna get that. The one thing on our list was to get a card. This may be the only birthday one, just a note or hello. So I think you found the only card. There's one left. Elsie has a birthday party today. $1.49. These are cute and look yummy. I love the little bears. I'm a sucker for cuteness. They're $2.99. I'm not getting them, but they're here. Okay, Cal, do you want sour cream and onion, cheddar cheese, or original? Okay, so this is Cal's pick. He waited the whole shopping trip and we had to come back to get these. So this is our cart. Pretty full. Any guesses on the total? While we're waiting in line, here's a bunch of pretty plants. Aloe vera plant. I've bought one of those before and successfully killed it. Lemon bars, yummy. S'mores mini cupcakes, also yummy. Okay, I spent $119.37. They took half off my chicken because I put it at the end to make sure they got the red chicken. Here's all my goods. Now let's go home and see my meal plan for the week. Okay, so our meals for the week, we are having spaghetti with breadsticks. I have some meatballs I'll put in the crock pot, and then I was gonna have asparagus. I guess we're just gonna have to find a different veggie that we already have because I didn't have any, and also the Brussels sprouts look like poo. We're gonna have tacos, coleslaw. I'm gonna mix that. I was hoping to find an avocado ranch. They didn't have one, so I'm gonna mix it with chipotle ranch that we already have and some black beans. We're gonna have lo mein, just an easy stir fry. I got most of the stuff for that at Walmart. We're gonna have carry out pizza and also buttered chicken with steamed broccoli. We have naan in the freezer. I fry up paneer and make white rice. That is a big to-do. We love that meal, and I will have that for 2 nights of dinner, and then finally we're gonna have a leftover night. So this is all the meal plan. If you wanna see my entire favorite meal of buttered chicken, you can see this video right here where I make it start to finish with all the sides. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.